The Amgo? The Upgrade? Or the UIRWAY? Perhaps the Sunnyglade or the Windscreen Forless? Which one should you buy? In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 privacy fence screens available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best privacy fence screens. The 5th product on this list is the UIRWAY. Spending time in your own backyard is a well-loved pastime for many people, but even with a perfectly manicured lawn or sublime outdoor setting, it is difficult to make the most of your alfresco surroundings without a private area to enjoy it in. Thanks to the UIRWAY privacy fence screen, you'll never have to worry about this. This is an outdoor privacy fence with a sand-like texture and color. It measures 6 by 50 feet and has 80 cable ties. This standard size for a fencing screen net is ideal if you want to protect your privacy by blocking multiple areas. One of the most notable features of this fence screen is its exceptional breathability. It won't completely prevent you from feeling a nice cool breeze on a summer's day. It employs commercial mesh fabric with a 90% blocking rate, which is sufficient to block external interference. Also, with its UV stabilization, it can resist fading and retain the strength of the materials used for a longer period of time. Moreover, this privacy screen fence is straightforward to set up, and you can do it yourself pretty easily. Furthermore, it has wider edges, and the triangular grommet corners are designed to be more stable and tear-resistant. It also has numerous brass grommets on the sides that are tied together with cable zip to be installed and secured. Its pros are, it has anti-rust grommets placed evenly along all edges for additional stability and strength. Its edges are double reinforced to ensure that the privacy net will not be easily torn, and it allows airflow to keep the patio environment fresh and cool. However, it's surprisingly heavy compared to the other products on this list, which makes the initial setup more cumbersome. The UIRWAY privacy fence screen is a good choice for people who want to enjoy their privacy while spending family time in their backyard. Up next in 4th place is the Windscreen Forless Heavy Duty. Another perk of owning backyard privacy screens is the fabulous lift they can give your garden. And Windscreen Forless Heavy Duty can definitely do the job. This privacy fence is ideal for most backyards because it measures exactly 50 feet long and 5 foot 8 inches tall, making it a perfect fit for most yard fences. You'd love the breathability of this product because it's knitted with 100% high-quality pure polyethylene material. It is 90% UV resistant, so you can spend your entire day in the backyard without having to worry about harmful rays from the sun. This fence screen is multifunctional, and it provides durability, a high privacy rating, and excellent airflow circulation, thanks to the double reinforced fabric on all edges for maximum lifespan. What's more, it uses 3 rust-free grommets placed evenly on all 4 sides and on every corner to provide additional strength. It's fabricated with a 1.5-inch black binding installed on both sides of the material, and an additional 3 buckles on every corner to reinforce the stretch in the corner. On top of that, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty under normal usage and weather. Its pros are, it's effortless to install and does not require a lot of equipment to set up. It's highly breathable so you don't feel suffocated with the fence around you, and it uses a strong webbing tape for extra reinforcement around the entire perimeter. However, some users said the grommets are relatively thin and may not withstand strong winds and thunderstorms. The Windscreen Forless Heavy Duty is a trusted fence screen that is ideal for covering large areas. It is best suited for porches, balconies, outdoor spaces, courtyards, roofs, carports, and even warehouses. Still haven't found the privacy fence screen that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Sunnyglade. If the fence around your yard isn't providing you or your pets with enough privacy or protection, then you should definitely consider investing in Sunnyglade privacy fence screens. This product is one of the most cost-effective ways to add privacy to a chain-link fence. It is made of high-quality materials, including some protected HDPE fabric and durable brass grommets on each side. This fence privacy screen measures exactly 6 by 50 feet long, providing adequate coverage and protection from nosy neighbors or road construction sites. You'll also appreciate how versatile this privacy fence is. There are numerous applications for it, including protection for vegetable garden plants, greenhouse covering, wind blocking for plant nursery areas, window shades, tennis court covers, and even pet pen or kennel shades. What's more, it has a breathable weaving fabric that allows water and air to pass freely through, as well as being sun and water resistant with no maintenance required. That's not all. This privacy fence employs heavy-duty copper grommets that are resistant to rust from water and other extreme weather, allowing it to be used outdoors for an extended period of time. To top it all off, this fence is very simple to assemble. Simply use zip ties to secure the grommets to the fence on each side. Its pros are, its grommets are made of brass, making it more durable compared to other materials. Its fabric material is made of polyethylene, which is expected to last longer under the sun, and its edges are reinforced with a thick binding for additional strength and extreme wind resistance. However, the zip ties included are pretty thin, so you tend to get sore fingers after putting up a few panels. This tough multifunctional privacy screen from Sunnyglade shields and protects your chain link, wooden, or welded fence. It's inexpensive, reliable, and effective at keeping onlookers from peering inside your home. The second product on this list is the Amgo. Privacy can feel more challenging to come by these days, especially with the recent surge in surveillance technology, and a good privacy screen fence from Amgo can go a long way in shielding your yard and home from prying eyes, allowing you to feel safe and secure inside your own home. For starters, this fence privacy screen fits perfectly on any 6-foot fence. This size is sufficient to shield the entire property from passers-by, and you can rest assured that your dog will not randomly bark at your neighbors. The edges of this fence screen are finished with heavy-duty black bindings and copper grommets, and you can guarantee its durability thanks to all the reinforced stitching. The grommets are placed every 1 foot vertically, 2 feet horizontally, and each corner has 4 grommets, so you can easily install the fence using the included cable zip ties. This fence is made of knitted virgin HDPE fabric, which is great for privacy while allowing water and airflow to pass freely. You can also choose between 7 different colors to best fit the aesthetic of your yard or fence, and it comes with a 3-year limited warranty under normal usage and weather, so you can feel confident when you make a purchase. Its pros are, it has multiple colors and sizes to choose from. Its edges have thick black bindings for extra reinforcement to help prevent ripping and tearing, and its grommets are made of stainless copper and are placed strategically and evenly along the screen. However, in direct sunlight, certain colors don't seem to be very effective. This privacy fence screen from Amgo is an ideal choice if you need something that will shield your yard from outside eyes while allowing air to flow through without hindrance. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top privacy fence screen is the Upgrade. Whether you play host to regular family get-togethers or friendly barbecues, or prefer a more relaxed space to unwind with a book and a glass of wine, backyards are an integral part of the home. There's no better way to enjoy that moment than with a dependable fence screen for your privacy and safety. This is where the Upgrade privacy fence screen stands out. This fence privacy screen is made of high-density polyethylene and is available in sizes from 4 to 6 feet tall to suit your needs. Even better, every piece is a standard size to ensure 2 pieces match perfectly. Another important feature of this product is that it can block up to 90% of visible light. This fence privacy screen can also protect your plants and flowers from harmful UV rays while providing excellent privacy protection. It has a 2.5-inch black binding with double reinforcement on the edge of each side, making it more durable and long-lasting without tearing. This fence is also very versatile. It can be used to protect your privacy in your yard and garden, keep your dog from barking, and keep your plants and crops safe from harsh winds and other animals. On top of that, this fence is very easy to install. Thanks to the stainless brass grommets, the storage is also quite simple since folding and storing it in a dry place and clean place would be enough. So, if you want an easy way to gain some more privacy in your personal Eden, this is the best option. Its pros are, it uses commercial-grade high-density knitting material that's built to last. It has strong seams to reinforce the fence privacy screen and a brass buckle to provide longer service life. It offers up to 90% visibility blockage, and it comes with 2 years of warranty support for a worry-free purchase. However, its package does not come with zip ties. The Upgrade Privacy Fence screen is ideal for protecting your family from prying eyes and your yard from the damage caused by bad weather and excessive sun exposure. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.